Hey everyone, it is Todd, and today I got this in the mail, the AirPod Pro. Actually says AirPods Pro, but that sounds funny. So we're going to take a look, we're going to unbox this, and we're going to take a look at these, see how good they are. Alrighty, so these have been a very hot item. A lot of people ordered these over the holidays, and there was a large delay in getting them. I got mine today. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. I already took the wrapper off, the plastic wrapper that comes with it, so let's go ahead and open these up. Got your traditional design by Apple in California with the directions that no one reads. We'll put those over there. And then it comes with the case. It's wrapped up, so let's go ahead and unwrap that. And open those up, and there they are. The new AirPod Pros. Already a little bit of a charge on those, so we're going to take a look at that. We've got the wireless charging with this as well, so we're going to test that as well. Open up the rest of the package here. And it appears we have some options for the earpieces based on your ear canal size, I guess, is what that comes down to. So we'll see which one fits best there. And then, of course, your charging cable as well. So, all right, we're gonna get these connected, see how easy it is to connect. I've got my iPad here, so we're gonna go ahead and get them connected with that. Alright, so you can see here we've got two sets of AirPods showing up. We got the actual AirPods and then the case as well. The AirPods are charged 1 to 96%, 1 to 79% right out of the box. I haven't charged anything yet. Not sure why the difference there. But you go ahead and put those in. And immediately, I noticed the sound dampening. It actually does muffle the surrounding sound that is just happening right there. So, again, I travel for business quite a bit, and I like to watch movies, listen to music on the planes. So, an AirPod that was noise canceling was important to me. I did not purchase the earlier version of it because it was not noise canceling. So this is pretty nice right now. I'm going to go ahead and just play Spotify. We just got out of the 2010s, so we'll listen to some music here from the last decade here, and we'll just shuffle play and see what we got here. Sound quality is pretty solid. It's really nice, and it also is really good compared to the other AirPods that I've tested that my family has had. So I have the original AirPods here, and these are the AirPod Pros. You can see the difference in the size. Basically, though, they're very similar cases. You open them up. The main difference here is this does have the wireless charging. I've got the charger here, so we'll go ahead and put that on, and you can see it lights up. So that'll be a nice feature as well. So wireless charging works really nicely for that. We'll just go ahead and put both in. I've got my new ones here. I'll put in the left ear, and I've got my son's version here, which is probably a little nasty, but we'll go ahead and put that in and try that from a comfort level. Don't notice anything majorly different between the two. I think the main difference is the tip, which you have on the Pro, which you do not have on the original. And again, depending on your comfort level, you can choose one of the different adapters right here. So a lot of different options for you right there, depending on your preference. So there you go. The initial reaction is positive. So looking forward to trying these out on an airplane. That's one of the reasons that I waited for the noise canceling option that Apple put out. We'll see how that works, and we'll report back. So in the meantime, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so when I do more of these, you'll know and you can come back. So thanks, and we'll catch you next time.